Home AC not blowing cold air? Time to call Erickson Plumbing, Heating, Air and Electrical. Erickson, for the heart of your home. When your AC unit stops blowing cold air, call the company who will give you the best advice. Erickson will help you evaluate your home's air conditioner needs. We specialize in forced air cooling systems, as well as ductless cooling systems and air handlers. Erickson Cooling Systems. Don't settle for less than the best. Family owned and operated since 1983. Dependable, knowledgeable, exceptional service, trustworthy and affordable. Listen to what our clients are saying.
The guy that you folks sent out to do this work was fantastic. He did an awesome job, was very friendly, and got it done fast. Mike.
I was able to get the most bang for my buck at a rate I felt more than reasonable. Robyn.
Erickson, for the heart of your home. Serving Blaine, Minnesota. Plumbing, heating, air conditioning, electrical, plus home and office security. Call 763-783-4545 or visit iHeartErickson.com.